Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and in today's video I have some more Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. For my first DIY, I will be using this Dollar Tree wood Christmas tree. I'm going to start off by removing the tag. Then the next thing I will be using is this Hobby Lobby paper. They do have two different sizes, but I only have a smaller one. Another option you can do is just paint this white and make wood planks. But since I already have other DIYs with this paper, I decided to use this one. I am going to trace it. As you can see, it doesn't fit, but I am going to make it work by adding another piece of paper on top. I am using the extra little pieces that are left over for the top.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you...
Before I glue the paper, I am painting this with a Waverly Antique Wax. As always, I will be using my Elmer's glue stick. You can totally use Mod Podge instead.
Still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but
Using the Dollar Tree nautical rope, I took it apart and then started to glue it all around the Christmas tree.
wish you the merriest Christmas of all.
I'm gluing this nautical rope all the way to the Christmas trunk, so I really didn't need to paint this. And to cover that mess up, I am using this Dollar General Christmas ornament. I did mess up, as you can see, but this is fixable. I am going to add this to cover that up. And on the top, as you can see, I also messed up, so I will be adding the bow there, and you can't even tell once it's nice and glued. The next thing I did was just add a Jenga block to the back so I can stand this. You can totally add a piece of jute string to the top if you want to hang this. I did paint the border of the Christmas ornament with my antique wax, and I absolutely love how this turned out. You can't even tell I messed this up. Somehow I did manage to fix this, and I just love how this turned out. So I hope you guys like this.
I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that too.
My next DIY was so easy and simple to do. I did use one of these Dollar Tree cone trees, and I did use some Jute twine. I picked this up from the hardware section. I am only using one row for this. The next thing I will be doing is just removing the tag and this plastic garland off the cone. I did do something similar to this last year using a poster board to make the cone, and to be honest, this is so much easier to do. Like I said, I am using one of the rolls, and I started at the top. I did tie it first before I started to roll the jute string around this cone. And this is probably like the hardest part. It wasn't even hard, it was just, it did take a little bit of time just to keep rolling and rolling. Other than that, it's so easy to do.
For you, you can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish
Once I was all the way at the bottom, I did tie it. I didn't glue anything. The next thing I will be doing is just gluing some of these Walmart beads all around the bottom. And I am going to use this Dollar Tree buffalo check that you see here to just glue it at the bottom too, and then I made a bow to glue it at the top. And that is it for this DIY. I absolutely love how this turned out.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone.
For my next DIY, I will be using the Farmers Market calendar. Oh my gosh, I finally have this in my hands thanks to one of my sweet subscribers, Jessica. She was so nice and so sweet to send these over to me. And I absolutely love this Farmers Market. It is a beautiful calendar. I am also using this fall decor sign. I just noticed it had 2 tags. But anyway, I will be starting off by removing the plastic from the calendar. Then I'm going to carefully remove the month of November. That is what Farm Fresh Christmas tree has in the back.
Melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh.
I will be using the back of the sign, and I want some of the brown to show, so I am going to cut the paper.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
You can totally leave the string so you can hang the sign, but I decided to remove it. I will be using my Elmer's glue stick to glue the paper.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everything.
To blend this more to the sign, I am going to sand all around. And I did sand it a little bit on the paper, and it made the trees more rustic and old. And look how beautiful this is turning out. You can totally just leave it like this, but I decided to add more. I will be making some little bows using this Hobby Lobby ribbon, and I made 2 to put 1 on each tree on the side.
And from every window shines a light. Somewhere in the distance drums are calling.
I will not be adding a bow to the Christmas tree in the center. Instead, I'm going to use these DIY stickers. These are from Dollar Tree. I will be using one of the stars. These already have adhesive, but you can totally use hot glue. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps my channel. So see you next time. Bye.